Thank you very much, my brother, the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Ruto. Let me acknowledge your beautiful wife, the First Lady of Kenya. I bring you greetings from the people of Ghana, and to say that on this day, your 62nd Jamhuri Day, the people of Ghana are in solidarity with their brothers and sisters in Kenya. On this day, we pay respect to the memory of our forebears who fought for our freedom, and we do not take their sacrifice for granted. The friendship between our independence leaders, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta and Kwame Nkrumah, has become an enduring flame that has continued to bind our two.
My name is S.K. and I welcome you once again to S.K.M Media 7. You know, President John Dramani Mahama, the president, I don't know what to say again. You know, he went to Kenya as they celebrate their 62nd Jamhuri, day, and he delivered another speech. And that speech that he delivered over there has, spoken for the entire continent of Africa and also the Jamaicans, our brothers and sisters in Jamaica, those who were affected by Hurricane. And, there is a saying that a prophet is not regarded in his own town. But what President John Dramani Mahama is doing, he went to UN, summit, and he delivered a message over there. And the message that he delivered, a lot of Africans are, they are happy about the message that he delivered over there. And as he went to Kenya, he delivered another message again. So President John Dramani Mahama is, putting Africa, Ghana over there. It's not like those days when even Donald Trump, the president of America, has, insulted Africa, that Africa is, the word that he used for Africans. It's not happening anymore, because now, like the way Kwame Nkrumah said, we are capable of managing our own affairs. So it's time for us to, stand on our toe, to, collaborate together, do business together, share ideas and all that, grow our continent. So as President John Dramani Mahama went to, Kenya, he delivered another powerful message to the people of Kenyans. Listen to what President John Dramani Mahama said. If you agree to that, let me see another comment section. In case you are new here and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to, subscribe to the channel. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and everyone who has subscribed and commenting on my video. We have hit 6,000, subscribers today. You guys are the one who made this possible, and I would like to, take this opportunity to thank you all. The next video that will be coming is, the Votarian Day Festival that they celebrate in Ghana, Accra here, called Experiencing Voter in Accra. So that video will be after this video. That video will be the next video to, expect over here. Just expect the best on S.K.M Media 7. Enjoy the full video. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my brother, the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Ruto. Let me acknowledge your beautiful wife, the First Lady of Kenya. I bring you greetings from the people of Ghana, and to say that on this day, your 62nd Jamhuri Day, the people of Ghana are in solidarity with their brothers and sisters in Kenya. On this day, we pay respect to the memory of our forebears who fought for our freedom, and we do not take their sacrifice for granted. The friendship between our independence leaders, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta and Kwame Nkrumah, has become an enduring flame that has continued to bind our two countries together. Our forebears won us political independence. It is the responsibility of our current generation of African leadership to win economic independence and prosperity for our people. Africa faces many challenges, including a global order that is rigged against it. We face systems that make us suppliers of unprocessed raw materials and importers of finished products. The time has come for us to add value to Africa's exports. The time has come for us to claim a fairer share of our natural resource endowment. The time has come for us to provide transparent and accountable leadership. The time has come for us to unleash the creativity and energies of our young people. We must increase trade amongst ourselves, and so we commend the protocol on the African Continental Free Trade Area. We must show Pan-African solidarity with all members of the African diaspora, and that's why I wish to express the sincerest appreciation of the people of Ghana to the people of Kenya for your timely intervention in Haiti to bring relief to the long-suffering people of Haiti. Ghana also, in the spirit of Pan-African solidarity, is sending troops from our 48th Engineers Regiment to help Jamaica in its rebuilding efforts after the devastating Hurricane Melissa. Kenya continues to be a respected member of the African Union and other international bodies. And so Ghana wishes Kenya well on this very auspicious occasion. And finally, before I resume my seat, accept my personal condolence and the sympathy of all Ghanaians on the passing of a great statesman, Mzee Raila Odinga. May God grant him peaceful rest. Long live Kenya, long live Africa, long live Kenya-Ghana relations. Asante sana.
Your Excellencies, distinguished friends, fellow citizens, I have always observed this day with two emotions held in tension: deep gratitude